So I'm just gonna spin around and like, oh my god, look at me, my makeup. Yeah, I look really pretty. Hey guys, it's me, Gigi. I'm gonna do some stuff today where I get glam and it's gonna be so lit, like so lit. You have no idea. I really know what I'm doing. I'm such a professional. It's crazy. I'm gonna talk with my hands a lot. I'm gonna spin. I'm probably gonna twirl and I'm gonna zhuzh. Definitely. So I have like these cat ears for no reason. This is definitely not my color, but I'll use it anyway. My idea is that I'm gonna go super white, really pale, and then I'm gonna use a stick that's definitely not my color. Jesus Christ. Wow, okay. And then I'm gonna put it everywhere. I'm gonna just hit my face with this tiny egg over and over again. And now I'm wearing a face mask. It's really hydrating, it's really good for your skin. It accentuates your pores, does everything that you want it to do. Yeah, I'm really happy with it, so I'm gonna smile. Yeah, this looks great. This is really good. Wait, hold on, I have to twirl. Okay, no, back. Okay, so I really love this look because I love looking like a reverse raccoon. I think that's really stylish and like fashion forward thinking. Yeah. Oh, it's so tiring being me, shit. So yeah, this raccoon look, you just like beat in with a big brush and then you use this powder, a banana powder. It's luxurious. I'll hold it up again real quick. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze, shit. Oh no, my ears, oh. Okay, so now I'm gonna put these stripes on my face. It's like very aerodynamic. And then this tiny little tube of something I'm gonna touch with a little brush. I'm gonna tap this real quick. Okay, this is for my eyes. And this eye look is like one of my favorites for sure. It's summery and fun and flirty, and I look like a cat, so like that's tight. Still have these lines on my face. Like I said, very aerodynamic. This has a star on it. It's cool. It's an even tinier brush with even finer powder on it, and it's gonna go on my eye. Like, remember to tap like really hard because like your eyes are not sensitive at all, so go in. Yeah, tap, tap, tap. It's gonna turn gold real quick. Love gold. Yep, tap, tap, tap. Jesus, this takes so long. And then I'm gonna take this toothpick and I'm gonna take this pencil and I'm gonna just go super crazy emo with it under my eyes. Take it back to high school, people. Yeah, that's the look. Yes, another pencil. This is for my eyebrows. Go in, very fashion. Fill them in, fill them in, fill them in. Did I mention that I got microblading done? I don't know if I like it. I'm gonna brush them. I'm gonna use this big brush again because like my face is still not the correct color, but I love it. Yep, oh my god, yeah. Okay, so look at all this pink stuff. More lines on my face, very cool. I'm gonna do that because why not? Yep, I gotta stretch, it's really hard. This is just pure gold. Just rub that in. Rub it in, don't be shy, okay. Going through a lot of gold today. It's a gold glam, that's what I like to call this little number. Okay, cool. This is for your under eye. Smile, make sure like one dimple is accentuated for sure. Spritz the thing. Oh, react to it, it's cold, oh my god. It felt good. Lashes are like really important. I love a lily lash. Hey Lily Galici, what's up girl? So my lip kit is shade orange today. And I'm just gonna paste that on. This is thick. Jeez, okay, kiss about it. Yes, yes, zhuzh, touch your hair. Spin a little bit, show the thing, throw it. Smile, over the shoulder, head back, yes. See you guys next time. Oh shit, I hope you like my glam. It's inspired by fashion. Stay gorgeous.